Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make an opacity gradient in Photoshop. Okay, first of all, create a new layer. Select the selections rectangle or circle as you wish. I select the rectangle. Hold shift, fix size, and do not hold shift custom size. Okay, and click that gradient. Select color. Drag it. Okay, Control D. Go to file, open your logo or image or shape. Simply drag it this. Right click mouse, create clipping mask. Okay, hold Ctrl T, resize it, hold shift for fixed size. Okay, then hold Ctrl for click the logo and select the down layer, then crop it. Right click mouse, hold Ctrl, convert to smart object. Okay, now we can see this, make an opacity gradient. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.